How to create Fastag account in Google Pay. So basically, you can't create directly in Google Pay, but you can link a Fastag account. So how you can create a Fastag account, it's pretty simple. As you can see, I went to this bank here, and you can select Fastag, and then you can simply choose new customer, and then you're gonna have to simply create your Fastag account. And after you do that, so after you create your account here, then add your address and vehicle details, and then you complete the confirmation process. You're gonna have to simply go to Google Pay, tap on Pay Bills, and from payment category select Fastag Recharged, and then you're gonna have to select your Fastag issuer bank, and then simply log in. And after that, you're gonna have to simply enter your account information, and basically that's all you have to do. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.